Multi-column form layouts can achieve a more compact, shorter scrolling page. However, we've observed across multiple rounds of usability testing that users often struggled with them compared to single-column forms. Hi, I'm Christian Holst, co-founder of Baymard Institute, and today I'm presenting guideline number 733 of Baymard's large-scale usability test findings: avoid extensive multi-column form layouts. When users encounter forms with multiple columns, they often misinterpret the field sequence. This can lead to completing unnecessary fields or skipping required ones due to the confusing layout. Multi-column forms often confuse users by pulling their attention in different directions, increasing the chance of errors. Even with separators and design cues, testing showed they remain less intuitive and more error-prone. Multi-column forms are harder to scan, forcing users to look both down and across. For example, Staples' multi-column form often leads to missed fields due to this back-and-forth scanning. In testing, we observed that single-column layouts resulted in fewer skipped fields, misinterpreted fields, and errors compared to multi-column layouts. A single column guides users' attention downward, helping them complete all relevant fields more effectively. For instance, at CVS, the single-column layout of the checkout forms made it efficient for users in testing to complete and move forward without errors. The form at Microsoft contains only a single column, making it easy for users to complete and review the fields. Fields closely related, like dates, names, addresses, or credit card details, can be grouped on a single line within a form for clarity. For example, the side-by-side fields for credit card expiration date and security code at Apple did not cause issues in testing, as these fields are conceptually related and located together on some physical credit cards. These were some of the highlights from our research findings. We have much more detailed information on optimizing your form design, including over 120 checkout guidelines in our research catalog. Go to baymard.com/research to learn more.